What's up, everyone? D-Crack here. So, alright guys, kid behind the camera, Michael just dropped a new vlog. It says Hurricane Dorian. So I really hope Michael and Bridget and everyone there in South Carolina is okay. But I saw on Twitter some pictures of like a fallen down tree or something, so I'm not sure how bad the hurricane hit South Carolina, but I hope everyone's okay. I mean, well, they're okay if you posted the vlog, obviously, but we're about to see all about this hurricane, I guess. Also, guys, I'll have a link to the original video down below. Make sure and go check out Kid Behind the Camera. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure and subscribe, click the bell. I would appreciate it, guys. Let's go ahead and check this out.
People have been very surprised by the storm and just the amount of water that's ending up in so many different places. Tony, I can tell you that the conditions have continued to worsen throughout the morning. We've seen 3 to 5 inches of rain, but could get a foot or more here in Charleston. Water's in anyway, so they were very concerned that 200,000 residents without power in South Carolina refused to hunker down.
It's been my dream to
get power restored, but with
Oh, dang. Ooh.
Oh my God, thank God, Salem.
We have been hunting for Salem for nearly 3 days.
Oh, they got the cat.
I'm sorry, girl. I'm sorry, we gotta help you, okay?
Salem, we're saving you.
She's like, let me the fuck out of here.
I know.
We got you, big girl, okay?
Oh my gosh.
So, what should we do? Because she's gonna claw her way out of every window we put her near.
I would put her in the laundry room.
Laundry room, there's a cat box, there's everything here. You're safe. Oh yeah, also guys, there's no power.
Yeah, there's no power. Everyone's asleep.
Oh, Michael and Bridget lost power too? Oh no.
Why do you have that?
Because there's no power.
But it's
Bridget.
daytime.
Right, but it's dark over here. You want to see? What do you think? Do I need it?
You might need it.
Jenny, come on. It's a hurricane, and that's our bedroom. This is... Chill out the door.
Why the heck is Jennifer in Michael and Bridget's bedroom? What the hell?
Jennifer!
Girl!
Oh my God, this face. I've never seen it before.
I'm not going outside, Michael.
Why are you...
I'm not going.
Why are you doing this?
I'm not going outside.
Jennifer!
Why?
I'm outside.
I'm not going out the door.
Jenny is barely here. Come on, let me check out the hurricane.
No!
Are you serious
It's
right
still-
now?
No.
It's still in Georgia.
That is absolutely ridiculous.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. Oh.
Michael! It's not funny, bitch.
Okay, she's got to find a new place to go.
I agree. Go to the pool house.
Yeah, dude. It's coming.
Wait a minute. Is that a tornado?
No?
Oh, Jennifer. Oh my God. She's so dramatic.
Bro,
Please tell me she brought her medicine.
that's your sister. Ain't mine. I disowned her a long time ago.
Dang, that
Jeez,
is
bro.
some heavy
I'd be
wind.
okay if my
Dang.
service was on.
What service?
My phone service.
Oh yeah, we lost that really.
Woo!
You gotta relax.
You brought your medicine, right?
What medicine?
Your medicine, your medicine you take.
The medicine you need every day to sustain normalcy.
Oh,
You
God.
took your medicine, right?
I'm not on medicine.
Okay, you're also not on my property. Come on. Come on. Get out there. Get out there.
No.
Oh, Jesus Christ. What are you
doing, Jennifer?
What is that supposed to do? You're holding the door shut? We're really...
Michael, what is that?
What? Something blew off the house.
Oh man. Tipped over my basketball hoop.
Oh.
We gotta go pick it up, Jen.
What? Go help him.
It's not even over yet. It just started. Who knows what could happen in like a second?
Jenny, I want to go pick up the basketball hoop.
I don't know why he's picking this up, but whatever.
Oh, look how. Oh.
What happened?
Oh.
What happened?
Oh my God.
Water.
Oh my
It's
God.
all over the hoop. It's her fault.
Michael!
Oh my God.
God!
Why does Michael keep falling? Oh my God.
Tie your shoes.
Her.
Jennifer, did you trip him?
Yeah, dude. It's really bad. Can you do me a favor?
What?
Seriously. You see the thing all the way over the tree, that rock thing?
What thing?
All the way to that tree over there.
It's a rock of lazy.
It's gonna blow away. We can't let it blow away. Please get it.
Okay.
I'm not wearing any shoes.
That tree's gonna fall on me, Mike.
No, it's not. Please, Jenny. It's gonna blow away. Oh my God. Please, Jen.
Thanks, Jennifer.
Get out there in that.
Are they gonna lock her out of the house?
Nothing. Hey, Jen. Have fun. It won't lock. Bro,
Oh.
it won't lock.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, man. That looks miserable.
They
Yeah, having
locked
fun out
Jennifer outside of the hurricane. Yes.
No.
Front door.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
Yes.
I know, Jen. I know. Let's get some light.
You're putting too much stress on me. I'm pregnant. You gotta stay out there.
Oh, there we go. I'm
Hey,
pregnant.
what's up? I thought about it, but yeah, I know, buddy. I know. Tornado! Well, if there's no power, we eating cereal.
Cereal is freaking good.
You want a Golden Puffs? What do you want, Jimmy?
Crave.
You want Crave?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go.
How does the milk and the food and everything stay cold in the fridge, though?
This is your fault for filming.
I thought Michael had like a backup generator or something.
Please spare my house. I'm sorry. I don't have another place to live. And my garbage. Man, I miss power. I miss my phone.
I'm so tired, man.
What the? Oh! Did he just pop the? I think he just popped the air mattress.
What happened to the bed? Your mom.
Oh my
popped
God.
it with something in the middle of the night.
Oh no!
Dude. What was that noise? What?
It's my alarm.
Oh, there's no service.
Dude, this is a bad addiction. Okay? It's just a phone.
I got people to talk to.
I know you're just a thought.
You know, this makes you think. This makes you think, what did people do before technology, you know? I'll admit, I'm addicted to my phone. I am on my phone a lot. I'm on YouTube, on the internet. But, you know, what did people do before TV, video games, phones, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and everything? It's like, life must have been pretty boring without technology. What is? Oh,
But it's something else today.
oh my God!
Dude!
I know you're just a thought away. I keep thinking about that big sky.
It's all looking okay over here. What?
find itself in out.
Oh my god.
What the hell? Alright. Y'all ready?
It freaking picked up the trampoline way over there. Holy crap.
It's gonna flip again.
I'm about to play a prank on Jennifer. I found this broken piece of phone. I'm gonna pretend it belongs to her. Jenny, I got some bad news.
What?
I have to give something back to you. I did not know it was gonna happen.
What the hell is this?
It's your phone.
What?
I'm sorry.
What did you do?
Yeah.
I dropped it out of the window on the way over. Look, I told you had to relinquish your phone to me. Jennifer.
What?
You know I didn't have your phone, right? It's in your back pocket. I never had it, bro. However,
Her phone was in her freaking back pocket. Oh my god.
sucks, yeah. Oh, look.
Oh no. What?
Oh, no.
Oh, a freaking tree
Oh,
branch.
no.
A freaking tree branch went through the
Very
window.
cool, man.
Oh god.
Well, look.
Storm window.
That window's still good. How much is this going to cost?
Oh, it's just. That's why it's called a storm window.
Hey, that
Dorian.
bet paid for it.
What bet?
Hello, 6 months ago, don't you remember? I bet you $100 that Tina would flip again.
You didn't think she was
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
flip? Boy, you stupid.
We owe Jenny $100. That did happen.
Yeah, we do.
Gets my window fixed.
I would have fixed it anyway. Whatever. Oh my God. You see this?
Yes.
Oh,
man.
no.
I really hope they're okay.
I need to go home.
Yeah,
It's scary.
We got to get out of here. Oh, let's go. Guys, this is really dangerous out here. That car, I really hope those people are okay. That's really bad. They look like it was crushed by a tree. Nobody's in it. Dang.
What the heck? It is. You guys hear how
Holy
freaking
crap.
windy it is? Oh my god. Oh,
Are you kidding me right now?
that was. Look, it was freaking rooted out of the ground. My god.
Oh my god. This is scary. I don't like this.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Dude, this storm was seriously a lot worse than anybody anticipated.
Like, look at this.
Yeah,
That tree is completely cracked.
that one's completely uprooted.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm sorry, babe. I know, like, we wanted to get out about and see stuff, but you're pregnant. This is dangerous.
Time to go home.
We need to go home. Be safe, people. I love you. And just like that, the storm has passed.
Wow. The very next day,
All
it's
the
just
wind,
beautiful
the
and nice like
rain,
that. Wow.
the anger, the dysfunction, it's gone, and the sky is beautiful. Hey, Salem. You still mad at me? I was only trying to help you. This cat hates me now, you guys. I've been sort of thinking all day about how much I miss Dad. Yesterday would have been one of those days where I go over and he's got a pot of vegetable soup and fried cornbread, and we talk, and you know, Pop,
Good old grandpa.
I don't know if you're up there. I don't know if you can hear me, but I miss you. I just miss hanging out with you.
That's sad, man.
I just miss you, Pop. And thank you for keeping us safe. Okay, what are all these bugs?
I don't know, Michael, but I need them out of here now.
Dude, I feel like God just put a curse on us.
Oh my god, are these hurricane bugs?
Is that what that is?
Hurricane bugs,
I've never
what?
seen this many at once before.
I've never
They're
heard
called
of
love
hurricane
bugs, I think.
bugs.
Yeah, they're hurricane bugs and you know it.
I feel like they're all over me.
Dude, I feel like this really is one of the Lord's plagues.
It might be.
We got hit with a hurricane, and now we're overcome by bugs?
Yeah.
This is God. Whoa! Jeez.
I know, right?
I hate hurricanes, dude.
I do too.
A bug is literally inside
This
the
is
lens.
why I live in the
What?
Midwest. I don't want to
Get
have to
outta here.
deal with freaking
Go!
hurricanes.
This is now. This water has fallen on me from that hoop 3 times in this vlog.
Oh God.
Okay, I've had it.
I'm just so happy it wasn't worse.
Me too.
And I feel really bad for the people in the Bahamas.
Yeah, seriously, that's.
Awful.
How are we supposed to clean this?
I don't know.
I feel like we gotta hire somebody. Like.
What's this about Tina driving by Jennifer's?
Wait, what the
Oh,
heck?
you were asleep
what?
for that.
Yeah.
Tina wrote Jennifer on Facebook and was like, I see your car at the house. I think she was just trying to see if she was there because she wanted to swing by the house. I don't know why.
Like break in.
I don't want to accuse anybody of anything.
I mean, it's tuna, so
Well, you know what? Maybe.
probably.
Okay, we're paying someone.
Yeah, you're like about to fall in the pool and everything.
I know. And that's just too goofy. Okay? Yeah. Let's hire someone because this is stupid. How'd you do in the storm, Cindy?
It was a little scary. The wind was really loud. I kept hearing all kinds of stuff dropping on my roof.
Oh, jeez.
How loud were Jimmy's cries?
We died 3 times.
Oh, Jesus. Okay.
All right.
They had it rough.
They had a rub.
Okay. Well, if it isn't my sister, didn't I see you yesterday?
Mike, look, I don't have time for this. I need you to get over here.
What?
I don't have time for this shit. I need you to get over here right now.
Why?
Why do I gotta get over there right now? What's going on?
Somebody's broken into my house.
What?
Somebody's broken into my house.
Wait, what?
Who?
Did Jennifer say someone broke into my house? What the heck? Well, alright guys, that was Michael's new vlog. If you guys enjoyed the reaction, please make sure and subscribe, click the bell, leave a comment down below, smash the like button, guys. And again, I'm glad, seems like everyone's safe now. The hurricane has passed, so that's great. Well guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.